So guys, after XXX na grocery dollars, ayan na po yung merienda namin. Worth, magkano na nga ba yan? 10 bucks lang ata yan din. Nabili natin merienda. Oh, worth the wait for the hotdog, baby?
Yeah.
Yan guys, 35 cents each po ang bottled water. Ice cream na murang-mura. Hotdog na may kasamang drinks na po yan guys. Ano lang yung drinks. What you're looking for?
Water mayroon.
Naubos mo na yung isang bottled water? Where did you put the container? Art. Ayan guys, nag-enjoy na si Mylab ko sa merienda niya. Tayo guys, ice cream na. Next, so guys, nasa loob po ng trunk ang ating pamili. So ayan guys, ang ating pamili. Mahabang resibo guys. Pero hindi ko napapakita yung amount. Masakit sa bulsa. Good for 1 month guys. Ayan, yan. Can you guess how much guys? Kung tulad po namin kayo na nagko-Costco. Yan, pero we're surprised ha. Akala namin naaabot guys ng $1,000. Kasi punong-puno talaga ang aming cart. Good for 1 month guys. And na-surprise kami kasi daming karne and then mga toiletries. Ayan. Gulat kami ni Mylab. Uy! XXX lang. Good. Thank you, Costco. Love you guys. See you later.